Okay, this video is to help you with your corrections for this problem right here. So we want to find the acceleration between meters 2 and 3. Okay, and so we want to find our variables first. We don't know what acceleration is. We need our speed final. We need our speed initial, and we need time. Okay, we got to calculate or figure those out from our table. So basically, Egbert's journey, it takes him 0.96 seconds to get to that 1 meter mark. It's going to take him 1.75 seconds to get to that 2 meter mark. Okay, we need to figure out what is his speed for just this meter. That's going to be our speed initial. Okay, so remember, our speed is going to equal our distance over our time. So we need to figure out what our distance and our time is for just that second meter. So our distance is just from here to here. That's going to be 1 meter. Our time, okay, so it takes 1.75 seconds to get to that 2 meter mark. But we just want the time from here to here. So we're going to subtract how long it took us to get to that first meter mark. So minus 0.96 seconds. Okay, so those are the variables to give you that speed initial. So once we calculate this out, we can put this number right, the number from that you get there right here. Don't round for sig figs yet. We still need to figure out our speed final. Okay, so our speed final is going to equal our distance over our time. That's going to be, our speed final is, what's that speed for this meter? Okay, and so again, our distance is going to be 1 meter because that's where we want to find the speed for. And our time is going to equal, if we look at our table, it took us 2.53 seconds to get here. We want just the time that it took Egbert to travel this last meter. So that's going to be our 2.53 seconds minus our 1.75 seconds. Okay, so when you put these numbers in, that's going to be your speed final. You can put your speed final into this. And then our time for this, okay, we want the acceleration from meter 2 to meter 3. So that time that speed changed, that's going to be this time. So whatever you calculate for that, you're going to put that for the variable here. Once you have all those variables, then you're going to plunk that in to your equation, speed final minus speed initial divided by time. That's what your acceleration is going to equal. So you're going to take those variables, plug it into this formula, solve it. Then at the very end, you're going to solve for sig figs. And when you do that, you got to look at your initial numbers. So this has 3, that has 2. So we're going to round our sig figs to 2. And that's how you're going to correct this problem.